Guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I usually use this as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. Okay, so we will be having another edition of it again tonight, but before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you love the content you're getting from here, can you give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family? Okay, so guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. So guys, quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame, and of course I will be using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. Okay, this started an uptrend right from this support zone, but got to this resistance and was unable to go above that, so it started selling right from there. But it was unable to go below this support zone, so it went back up and of course came back down to try it again, still went back up. So guys, if it breaks out above this resistance zone, then it's going to buy more. Okay, but if it does not, then it's going to sell and try out the support zone again, this particular support zone. This is very important. Okay, so wait for the right signals before you know if it will be trying out this support zone again. So this is very important. So this is buying at the moment. It might not be for a very long time in case it's unable to break out above that resistance zone. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. This is boom 500. This had been selling right from this resistance zone. You can see a sell order which I placed around there, and of course it has been selling for a very long time. Got to this region, was unable to go below that, so it had a pullback. So I'm hoping that it's going to come back here to break out from the support zone, and if it does, then definitely it will be getting to my TP, which is going to be around there. So this is very important. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 1000. Crash 1000 was on downtrend, and of course it came to an end at this support zone, so it started an uptrend right from here, and it has been buying since then. So if you have been in the market, then you should be checking out this particular stage. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 500. Okay, this is crash 500. Crash 500 had been on downtrend for a very long time, and it's still on downtrend, and it has been selling. You can see the red flag, and of course guys, it has gotten to this support zone. If it's unable to break out from there, to go back into an uptrend, but for now it is still selling. This might not be for a very long time because it is at this support zone. Okay, the last asset is going to be V75. Okay, this is V75. It had been on uptrend for a very long time, and it got to this resistance. It was unable to go above that, so it started selling right from there, but we need it to break out below this support zone. Okay, once it breaks out below the support zone, it's going to sell more. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every aspect of it very well before going into your real account. And if you love my content, can you give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family? Thank you.